Welcome back to another video, guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make the simplest and the most delicious egg fried rice right after this intro.
Y'all better can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
So this is pretty much everything that's needed to make your egg fried rice. Well, besides some oil, this is everything that will be needed to make your egg fried rice. I'll tell you what each ingredient is as I go along and how much of each I use. So to start, I have my pot here over some low heat and I'm going to go in with some oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil here and I'm just going in with just about 2 teaspoons of the olive oil. And I'm just going to allow that to heat up just a little before I start adding in some seasonings, and I mean some fresh seasonings. So the first one I'll be adding in is some red onions, next some green bell peppers, and then 2 cloves of garlic. And for the red onion and the green bell peppers, you can add as much as you like. I'm just adding 1 tablespoon each, finely chopped. Now I'm just going to saute everything here just for a few minutes, about 2 minutes. And then I'm going to add in just a little bit more oil, just about the same, 2 more teaspoons of oil. And I'm going to mix everything together again. Then to this I'm going to be adding in just a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and my pot is still over low heat. Then next I'm going to be adding in some salt, but not too much salt because other ingredients have salt and you do not want this to be salty. So I'm just adding in a pinch of salt. And now I'm just going to mix everything around again in that oil. Next, I'm going to be adding to this, it's egg fried rice. I'm going to be adding next to this 1 egg, and I'm going to crack the egg into a container before I add it straight to my pot, because if the egg is not good and I just crack it in the pot, then everything in the pot won't be good also. So there you go, I'm going to add that right in. Then I'm going to move everything around just to get the egg nice and scrambled, and I like my egg finely scrambled, so I'm just going to do this until I realize that the egg is nice and finely scrambled. So that's about it. That took less than 2 minutes. So next I'm going to be adding in the rice, and my rice has been cooked with some butter, and the salt is also in my rice. It's not too salty. This is 2¼ cups of rice, and I'm just going to move this around, mix it up with the egg and the seasonings. Next I'm going to be adding in some soy sauce, and I'm going to start off by adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And the soy sauce will give it such a nice flavor, and it will also give your rice a brown color. So I'm just mixing everything around here until I realize that the rice, the soy sauce, the seasonings, and the egg, everything has been nicely combined. Next, I'm going to be adding to this 1 cup of vegetables, and you can add your favorite vegetables. I'm only adding to mine carrots and string beans because those are all I like in my fried rice. I had just cut the carrots into small pieces and the string beans into small pieces and steamed them. And if you like things like corn or green beans, you can go ahead and add them in your fried rice. So I'm just mixing everything here together, and my pot is over medium heat. I'm just ensuring that everything is nicely combined. Now I'm going to give this just a little taste, and trust me, this is tasting amazing. I really love the flavor that the soy sauce gives to this, so I'm just going to add a little more soy sauce to mine, but I'm just going to be adding only 1 more tablespoon of soy sauce to my fried rice. So in total, I've added 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to this. Now I'm going to mix everything together. My pot is still over medium heat. Trust me guys, this is tasting so good, and you can eat this with some orange chicken. I have a video out on that. Or you can also eat this with some shrimp and broccoli. I also have a video out on that. You do not need takeout when you have these great recipes, guys. So I'm just going to allow this, to stay over the medium heat just for about 2 more minutes. And this is a close-up of my egg fried rice. This is lovely, and now I'm going to turn my stove off. Everything is nice. It's nice and hot, nice and steamy, and it's tasting so good. This recipe was very simple, guys, and if you agree with me, let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Don't forget to check out my orange chicken and my shrimp and broccoli video. And of course, if you like the video, give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn your post notifications on. Until next video.